Welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today we are in the beautiful Algarve on the prestigious golf course Penina. Penina is an internationally recognized golf resort situated on 360 acres of land, just 5 minutes away to the nearest beach, 50 minutes to the international airport, international schools, restaurants, cafes, everything to your proximity. And this property is situated straight on a gulf and offers tranquility and peacefulness. Without further ado, let me show you around. So welcome inside. This is a 5-bedroom and 6-bathroom villa built in 2012 with a total area of 395 and situated on a very generous plot of 20 square meters. The villa is set on one level, and as you walk into the foyer, you can see that it's very bright and it's sunlit throughout the day. To your left, there is a kitchen, dining and living area, all of it leading to the outdoors and a swimming pool. To this side, it's a 5 en-suites, and one of the en-suites today is used by the current owner as a cinema room. So it's all optional and flexible to the next owner. All these en-suites are very bright and also have luxury features, beautiful flooring, bath, walk-in closets. And the best feature is all of them is leading to the outdoors area. This property offers 2-car garage, ample parking space in the front of the house, heated, salted swimming pool, solar panels, underfloor heating, and a lot more you can check on the link below. And a beautiful garden backing into the Gulf with an automatic irrigation system. All of this surrounding it gives so much serenity and peacefulness to enjoy the outdoor Algarvian living. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. If you like this property, please give us a shout on the phone and I will be happy to show you this property. This has been Cheers from the Algarve and I will see you in the next one.